So here we have the Ford Focus on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way. Just before we hop in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, the coolant temperature gauge and fuel gauge. And then the trip computer above that, which includes the total miles of this car. They are 31,546. You can change, firstly, the information displayed in that main section for various bits of individual trip computer information. You can have a digital readout for the speedometer, or these four basic bits of trip computer information all displayed simultaneously, and that is done using the buttons on the left-hand side here. We have cruise control and speed limiter, and on the right-hand side, stereo and phone controls as well. Over into the center next, the main touchscreen. So we are on the settings menu where you can see we've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto settings. You can swipe across to the next screen. The home button up here will take you back to this home screen where you can access your satellite navigation, which is a really nice, clear color display, very easy system to use. You can access your audio. So on top of Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, we've got AM, FM and DAB radio, a CD player and Bluetooth audio as well. You can also, of course, pair your phone up in this car. Below that, we have the CD player, the main volume for the stereo, and then the dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air distributed in, and then that's your air conditioning on and off again from there. Or put the system into auto and the car will take full control of everything for you to maintain those temperatures, which you can override whenever you like. We have a USB input. We can turn off the stop and start with a 12-volt charging socket and your 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you.